What's going on, everyone? Welcome to part 2 of the how to day trade Tesla. So predominantly 99% of the time I am going to be day trading and scalping options. I'm also looking to trade within the first 1 to 3 hours of the market open. Tesla is one of the most favorite stocks that I love to trade just because of the volatility and how fast it moves, and you really don't need a lot for this thing to really give you good profits for the day. So if you did watch the other video, I gave you a perfect strategy for scalping the first 5 to 15 minutes of the market open using pre-market highs, using pre-market lows, and then kind of using that first opening range 5-minute candle. So on this strategy, this is how exactly I made $500 even. And if you're a member of my Discord, you can go to the daily profits and losses channel and look at that screenshot that I took of the profits for the $500 that I made on Tesla. So if you're not a member of the Discord, you can join completely free. That link is down in the description box below. But let's get into the trade. Let me kind of show you guys the recap and as to why I took it and kind of the explanation behind it and what I was actually looking for. What was my mindset like? What was I thinking? So because I was already playing another stock, I was in Airbnb. I was also in AMD. What else was I in? Nvidia I played today. So I wasn't able to catch Tesla right off the open. That 12, 10, 16, that pre-market highs was a break that I was looking for on Tesla. And when I kind of scanned through the charts and didn't see that, and then I seen the futures aggressively pulling in, I seen Tesla kind of pulling back, I knew that we weren't going to cross this 12, 10. So my breakout to the long side, that play was kind of toast. So I just continued to watch Tesla. I did see us find a bottom down here at 1123. You can see this wick, this long wick that we had off this 1123. Bulls immediately bought this back up. We had a nice little hammer candle here. So if you know anything about the way that I trade, if the stock is trading underneath the 20 period moving average on the 5-minute chart, typically I'm more short biased. Okay, I'm not going to be taking long plays if we're trading below the 20 period moving average on the 5-minute time frame. If we are trading over the 5-minute over the 20 period moving average, typically I'm going to be trading long side, so I'm going to be buying calls. So even though we got this bounce and then we got this confirmation here, it looks like a little bit of reversal. I kind of waited around because I did not want to buy on this run up here to get rejected at the 20 to then roll over through low of day. So what I was waiting for here, and you can see this little green arrow, I was waiting for a confirmation closing candle over the 20 period moving average. And as soon as we confirmed that price, I was going to take my entry long. So if I just draw a trend line here, that price is going to be 1151.65. This was a confirmation break that I was looking for. And as long as we stayed over the 20 period moving average, I was going to continue to hold this until my options contract became profitable. I only took one options contract. I did take the 1145 strike, so I was in the money a little bit. Contract cost me a little over $2,000. So we can see here immediately right after I got in, we had this little bit of pullback to the 20 period moving average. I did experience a couple $100 worth of drawdown here. However, sticking to my rules, we are trading above the 20 period moving average. So I had to continue to hold this. Unless we were to crack below and close below, then I would have needed to take the loss on that. After we came back down here and we tested this 20 period moving average, we got this nice breakout candle over the previous 2 candles that closed over the 20 period moving average, and then I sold somewhere in here around this 1159 1160 area, and that profit came out to be around $500 even. If you look here, I could have held it a little bit longer. It did get a little bit of choppiness. However, I did know that the 50 period, which is this red line here, the 50 period moving average was going to act as a level of resistance. So I did not want to hold into the 50 to have it get rejected like it did and then fall all the way back down. That would have turned into a losing contract. So the whole idea, especially when I'm trading Tesla, are those 20 point, 30 point, 50 point, like yesterday, 150 point moves, are they fantastic? Of course they are. Are you ever going to catch the whole move? No. When I trade Tesla, what I'm looking for, 5, 6, 7, 8 points in my favor. Hell, sometimes even 3 to 4 points if I'm going right at the money, or like today, a contract that is just inside the money. Those contracts can move extremely quick. I'm talking hundreds of dollars, $100, $200, $300, $400. So if you're playing 2, 3, 4 contracts, that can really start to add up, but you have to keep your risk very, very small, meaning that you can't just, you can't enter here over 1151 break, hold it here, get rejected, crash down below the 20, tell yourself, well, I'm going to continue to hold this and see if it comes back, because the moment you do that, that contract is going to lose so much value. You're going to turn a winning trade when you could have just walked away into a losing trade. Again, just to reiterate, why did I take this play? I took this play because it looked like we found a short-term bottom. We made this attempt to reclaim the 20 period moving average one time. We got rejected, we fell back down, and as soon as we closed over the 20 period moving average, what I was looking for was a preceding candle to take out this price action. As soon as we took out this price action on the next candle, this was my entry. I did hold it, a little bit of drawdown here into the 20 period moving average, and then we got this nice big green candle here that took out all of this price action, and then I held it for 2 more candles, a total of 15 minutes on this trade for a $500 profit. Again, guys, if you want to join my Discord, I kind of throwing out intraday plays in there, especially for the gold members. But I also do throw out some free plays as well. I have a bunch of different channels in there, a bunch of learning sections you guys can join. Also, subscribe to my channel, drop me a like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the strategy. Let me know if you guys currently play Tesla. Did you guys short Tesla today? I know a lot of you guys were shorting Tesla. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys all in the next video.